Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Adel, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moving refers to relocating your goods across a distance of at least 50 miles. Whether within or outside state lines, we can assist you in moving your belongings both locally and beyond state lines. We have a solid working relationship with the authorities that control the moving process, both local and federal. We put in place insurance plans to cover any risk liabilities that may arise during the move. We employ only the most dedicated drivers and movers who will deliver your belongings without damage or loss. We also provide reasonable price services, so you won't have to worry about being taken advantage of. Local movers are frequently less expensive than long-distance moves. We have the most reasonable rates, ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. Our qualified and hardworking movers will provide you with the best value for your money if you hire us. We're familiar with busy towns and crowded places, so you don't have to worry about us losing or ruining your belongings. We have a local team of movers who are committed to assisting you in making the best decisions possible when planning a relocation. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Adel moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.